Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a countdown timer in Hostinger website builder. This is the countdown timer I will share with you, or I will share with you how to add it in your website. And this is the piece of code responsible for showing or how it works. Before I start our tutorial, I want to let you know that I will do my best to remember to attach this piece of code when I upload this video to YouTube. If I forgot, just let me know in the comments below. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your Hostinger builder website. Just a quick tip, if you're looking for an easy way to distinguish between websites built using Hostinger builder and the WordPress website, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress icon and this is the Hostinger builder icon. Click on edit website. Now let's add a blank section to work on. Then click on this add element or this plus little icon from this left side menu and scroll down to the bottom and select embed code. Drag and drop it like that. Click on enter code. Delete this default one and copy the code I will share with you in this video description and paste it here. As you see, please note that not all embed codes are visible within the editor and preview modes. If you don't see your content, publish your website and view it live. Click on embed code. Let's place it here. And now let's update my website. View site. And this is my countdown timer. Let's see how to edit or how to set your target and time in this code. This is the code. Just look for this sentence called set your desired end date and time here and click. Let's start with the year. Let's say I want to on the start of the next year, which is 2026 January. If you're trying to select the January instead of just one, you should go with 01 in order to not see this error message. 01. Let's test it. As you can see, it works. Now, yes, I will go with the first day of the year and let's try 00. As you can see, 00 does not work, so I will go with the last day of the 2025 year in order to go with 23 90 59 59. As you can see, end time is 319 days. Let's set a close or not a further date. Today is February 15th, so I will go with just the month number 2 and the day 17 at midnight. As you can see, just 2 days, 2 hours and 21 minutes left. Let's see how to edit this text. Just copy it like that. Click on Command F on Mac or Control F if you're on a PC. Paste what you're looking for, and as you can see, it easily help you find it. Let's add this dash before and run it. As you can see, it is correct. This is the text or the h2 responsible for this title. Let's say you want to edit this red color of this time and date left. Below this counts down. Look for the color. I will go with black to test it. As you can see, yes, this is correct. So here instead of black, I will insert my exact color code. To get any color code, just go to this website called htmlcolorcodes.com. Use this slider. Let's go with this green color. Pick or point this dot on your exact desired color and copy this code here. Let's delete the old one and insert the new one. And this is how to edit this title text, this timer color, and also set your desired ending date. Now let's copy again this updated code, and I will duplicate this one. Just double click it, this new window pops up. Delete the existing code and paste or paste your new code. Don't forget to update your website to not lose your editing. Let's refresh this website again, or this page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is the updated countdown timer. And this is how to add a countdown timer in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.